Hi, I'm Rudy Fabiano. I'm a health club architect, and today I want to talk to you about going to the gym. I know there's a lot of conflicting information out there. What is safe, what you should avoid, what you shouldn't. Some people that don't understand what goes into designing a health club have tried to lump health clubs with restaurants and bars, that the environments are similar, which is so far from the truth. So it's understandable if you're confused or nervous about getting out there and working out. Certainly understand no one wants to get sick. People sweating and breathing hard, how could that be good? Well, it's precisely because of that environment that makes health clubs inherently safer than most other places. Places like grocery stores, bars and restaurants, hair salons, and other indoor activity places. You see, we've had to deal with the factors of people breathing hard and sweating for so many years that we've become experts in controlling and designing the environment to provide fresh and clean air to those people. I'm the CEO of Fabiano Designs, and we're an architectural firm specializing in health clubs worldwide. I'm proud to say that we designed over 900 facilities over 30 years, as well as consulted for countless others. And we've learned a lot about healthy buildings over those years. And as architects and owners, our first priority is that we're entrusted to provide a safe and healthy building. In fact, the cornerstone of health clubs has always been making people healthier in a safe environment. We do that by creating sacred spaces. Sacred in the sense that we provide a place that our members can feel safe at their best, comfortable and healthy. For so many people, being at the gym is an expression of their vitality, their commitment to their health. Working out gives us control over our health and our lives. If we learned anything during this pandemic, it's that being healthy is everyone's best defense against this illness. Mounting scientific evidence indicates really that this coronavirus is transmitted primarily through the air. There's kind of a formula: distance, volume, and time. The amount of time you spent next to someone, the amount of air that exists, that's all important in the transmission. So understanding that the majority of transmission is airborne, controlling airflow, outside ventilation, air volume is key to a safe environment. Clubs by nature have wide open spaces. Ventilation systems that by design provide an abundance of outside air to be brought in and multiple air changes per hour. That means that every hour the air in the space is completely exhausted and new air is brought in. This is proven to dilute the air and reduce the viral load, if any exists, in that environment. Areas like the locker rooms are designed for negative air pressure, which means that air is continually exhausted directly out and not recirculated. Our gyms are actually using higher rated filters to help trap viral particles in the filter and get them out of the air. And because the average humidity level in most clubs is around 40 to 60%, research has proven that that kills the virus in that humidity range. They can't handle it. Besides the environment, the cleanliness of our club has been part of our genetics forever. That is how we are judged. How clean is your club? We've been at the forefront of deep cleaning, sanitizing our equipment as a matter of good business long before this pandemic has hit. Additional measures that most gyms have added, as recommended by experts, like reducing interactions with plastic shields, social distancing, proper equipment spacing, are keeping the transmission rates so low and members' safety relatively high. New technology like UVC lighting is also being deployed at many clubs. That's a spectrum of light you can't see, but it kills the virus on contact. We already have used this technology for a number of years to eradicate bacteria in locker rooms. Gainesville Health and Fitness Club is one of those examples. So these features in the clubs have already kept the transmission statistically so low it's almost non-existent. How low? Well, an analytical study by MXM Medallia, the industry benchmark expert, tracking nearly 15 million check-ins in almost 3,000 clubs, has reported a positive test number of just 1,155. People that tested positive, that checked in. Now, even then, that transmission is not clear where it occurred. Nevertheless, that's 0.002. That's actually less than your chances of getting struck by lightning in your lifetime. Look, we know how much health matters. And if your body is not active and you're not at your best shape, then your chances to fight disease is compromised. My clients have a commitment to get you healthy, but also to keep you safe. Based on actual data, your gym is one of the safest places you can be for your ongoing health. Hope to see you at the gym in the next workout.